Well, we're making our coffee. Got invited out to the woods. Outside. It's fall. It's Thanksgiving. We're gonna go have Thanksgiving in the woods. So stay tuned. Come along for the ride. All right, we got the truck loaded. Got some firewood for them. Some kindling. Brought my little stove. Some utensils. Got a bit of groceries in the cab of the truck. Got the kids. Got their bags. I think we got everything. So let's get on the road. We'll head down to Crooked Creek to a campsite where we're gonna have some supper in the woods for Thanksgiving. Alright, we're up at Crooked Creek Lookout. Just coming down to check out the lookout before we head down below. So we're going to go down below and then we're going to cook some supper. Me and the kids. We're going to meet some other off-roaders and stuff. But just check out that view. It's an awesome view. You guys ready?
Yeah.
Alright. Let's go down the hill. Gotcha. Is there anything coming down there?
I don't see anything. Nope.
I spun the tires. We're gonna go down this hill. Boom! Here we go. Off-roading we go. Big bumps. So we're gonna look for a coffee cup in the tree. We're gonna look for a coffee cup in the tree. Because that's our turn point.
Which side?
I think it's gonna be on the left side.
So don't go too fast.
We got a little ways to go.
Yeah,
we're gonna go make supper in the woods.
That's a big puddle.
Okay. You get stuck, we'll call the cavalry.
Daddy, stuck.
No, we don't want to get stuck.
Daddy, water. Yeah. There too.
Keep going. You gotta keep going. Rock here. Nope, too bad. Wouldn't want to meet another vehicle coming through here. We got to turn around, back up.
Back up.
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
Oh! Yes.
Got it.
Oh, there's the coffee cup there. You see the coffee cup?
Yep.
There's the coffee cup. Can you go get that?
Why? We have to go get it.
Because it's garbage. We're going to pick up the garbage.
Okay. Garbage. garbage.
Yeah, we picked up the garbage. Okay, thank you. All right, ready?
That is garbage. Yeah.
Might have to take my mirrors off to get in here. Here we go, way down.
Be careful, there's a giant puddle there.
Well, we're gonna go straight through it. Hopefully it's a hard bottom.
Daddy, water. Bash.
Said we could take the van through here, so.
Ooh.
Buddy.
Daddy, water. Yeah. Yeah. Whoa. Whoa.
Did we lose a mirror?
I don't think so.
Oh, that's good.
I know we have to. Hey, where are we going?
We're gonna go this way. He's over that way, looks a little,
There's a campfire there.
yeah. We're gonna take this path, because that path there looks soft.
But there's a lot of like.
Oh, there's branches everywhere.
Yeah. Are we here? I think we're here.
So we made it down to our campsite. Pretty nice spot down in here. Actually got a little. Wonder if they got some fish. So let's go check out the campsite. See what's going on. Got some wood. Got kids. Truck's all set up. Other trucks set up. Tent, fire, food, chili. Woo, that's hot.
Did you pick up my empty cup?
Yes, I did.
Oh, you're too kind. Thank you.
So we got some
Onions right now.
onions in there frying up. Ryan's over here. He's
I got the lovers stuck on me. They're all clinged on me. That sucks.
Yeah,
It's a pretty neat idea, the big rock.
Yeah, that was JG's idea.
You want to sit down, buddy?
You can have this chair. Yeah.
You want to sit here? You gonna sit down there? Hey, Luca.
One time
You
I
gonna
actually
sit down there and drink a beer? No.
Yeah, I might take that away though. It was the first.
There. How's that? You hungry?
Yeah.
Hungry?
I'm gonna make you some food.
Tall cans, regular cans.
You want a snack?
You can open it up so you can use it for wine.
Okay, Ryan's got his burner going, grabbing some wood.
Thanks, guys.
I'm getting out some of my food, my burner going. Start cooking up a storm.
I mean, did you bring all of them for tonight?
What?
All the wood?
Whatever you guys want.
We'll pull some back now.
Yeah, there's been a bunch of rocks here painted. There's even I think there's a B one by my tire.
Bam.
No way! Cool!
Pizza.
Oh, wow.
A bumblebee and a pizza.
Cool.
So no,
Sharpen up my wood here.
sharpen up your spatulas.
Brought a bunch of crazy stuff.
Oh, that's our go-to too.
Now, what do I want to cook?
What are you making though?
I don't know. Well, I got hamburger, I got eggs, I got onion.
Nice. Hamburger, eggs, and onions. Almost sounds like a
And maybe throw that into a wrap.
breakfast burrito.
Yeah. Then I brought pasta.
Nice.
Maybe instead of the wrap, I'll make pasta and then mix it all up. Just brought some random odds and ends. Got a little oil. Brought a little oil.
You gotta get a non-stick pan, man.
Well, it's kind of non-stick. So they're saying you should use a stainless steel, like instead.
We used one from Coleman last year. It rusted in the first camping session.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Don't have a cutting board though. So how am I gonna do this? Alright, I'm gonna do it like
I've got
this.
this
I'm gonna
lid that you can use.
do it like this.
I should bring the cutting board that I got. It was given to me. Again, Dave. Thanks for coming out, man.
No problem. Happy to be here in the woods to do a cooking show with Ryan Marks and City Overlanding. Wouldn't have it any other way.
Thanksgiving in the woods.
So, this is how we're gonna cook. We're gonna bloom the onion, is what I'm gonna call it, without trying to cut my fingers. Trying to go as gentle as possible here.
I'll be back.
Oh yeah, you leave me all by myself.
Alright.
Fine. Oh,
I think it's my time.
what do you want to do? Oh, you're taking that over
Yeah,
there.
to put it in the Dutch oven there.
Note to self, bring a sharper knife.
Nice. Nice.
Cooking show with Jason and Ryan.
Oh my goodness.
What's this? Cutting milk bags open?
No, it's a knife sharpener.
Ah. Oh, really?
Yeah.
Let me see that.
Yeah, man.
You got fine on the outside, and of course on you want the outside one actually.
Where?
This one here. So you put your thumb there, you put it on the ground.
You can even set it on the thing. Make it nice and flat while you
Okay.
can give it more weight.
That's how we do it. Instead of bringing a sharper knife, bring just a sharpener. That's all you really need.
Then you can sharpen anything.
Jason, your coffee's getting cold.
Oh.
Would you
Oh.
like your coffee?
I would. That would be much appreciated.
Et voila.
Thank you.
So you use 2 boxes of macaroni?
Yeah, might as well. Might as well cook it all up. I don't know what they're gonna eat. I don't know what I'm gonna eat. I don't know what you guys are gonna eat.
Well, we got chili, nacho chips.
So then we can have macaroni with egg and hamburger and onion with some chili, and you guys said you got buns?
Oh yeah, we got buns,
Then
nacho
we
chips.
got
Oh,
buns. Ha!
Kinds of fun.
Super stoked for this. Woo! Okay, come on. You wanna see? See that? If I make a mess, I'm sorry.
I thought you. Oh, I see what you're doing there. It's pretty filling too, right?
Add some salt. Add a bit of pepper. Just stir. There. So if you guys haven't already, make sure you hit that like button, hit subscribe. Get on some more adventures with us. Snowmobiling, camping, cooking in the woods. So we got some chili, some macaroni and hamburger, with some onion and egg. Try out this chili. Pretty good.
And then you can also like, super easy, right?
Good.
All you just gotta do is like,
Is it good?
Yeah.
you know,
Act like you can actually make them really good.
yeah, whip them up really good.
Exactly.
Lots of butter.
I mean, if you got the
beater's better.
jackers, you can bring an electric beater.
Alright guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you hit that like button, hit subscribe, and we'll see you next time on our next adventure. Thanks for watching.